cracking YouTube? It's your boy Q the Fluke, Influencer. And we got something great, special for y'all today, man. We're in Wicker Park, you know what I'm saying, West Loop, Chicago. You know, about to go into a Bride skate shop. Your boy hit on those ones, man. The LA to Chicago joints. You know what I'm saying? As you can see there, the joint, the spot. Let's go in there, let's pick up the pair, man. I'm gonna show y'all around the store for a little bit. And we're gonna get those babies back to the crib. And you already know what time it is after that. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you holler at your boy in that comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Man, already escaped and already destroyed them shits, man.
I had to do away with them.
You had to do away with them?
Yeah, I had to go out there and be like Jordan.
Oh, word. How many pairs you done went through already, bro?
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah, it's like 4 days of skating.
4 days of skating?
Yeah, so, and now I wear them with pride now. It's a badge of honor.
That's fire, man. That is fire. You know, me, my big ass would never ever, because, you know, I'm not even okay to start skating.
You don't get you on the board. You don't get you skating the nose right there.
No, we ain't never skating the knees, man.
Those are skating real good. I can see myself doing a lot
of tricks. No, not these, brother. I'm too. You know, we heavyweight over here, man. I break all type of kneecaps, all type of. Y'all don't want to see me on no skate, man. But that's what's up, man. That's fire. And I mean, like, as you can see, the color really did come out, you know, real good, man. So you didn't apply no dye, no acetone.
Acetone, yeah.
Oh, you did?
It was actually nail polish removal.
Oh, you actually did?
I just wanted the Jordan colors, so I just took them off.
All right, so you actually did do the nail polish removal. I mean, the color just came out really good, man.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, it's still some imperfections, but if I would have really got in there and did it really, really good, but.
I mean, look good to me, man.
Yeah,
appreciate it, dog.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
As
you can see, we did come out victorious. You know what I'm saying? Now we on our way to go enter some raffles, maybe more pairs, but we'll get back. I get back at y'all when I get back to the lab. Let's get it, gang. Yo, what up? So we back up in this thing, man. Yo, I hope y'all enjoyed that quick pickup vlog, man, that your boy was able to do yesterday. Yo, first and foremost, I do apologize. Your boy is super under the weather. You know, cue the flu. Fuck around and got the flu for real. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, if I cough and sneeze anywhere in the rest of this video, please forgive me. But, man, all things considered, your boy touched the item, you know what I'm saying? That LA to Chicago Nike Air Jordan 1 SB, you know what I'm saying, as indicated here on the tongue, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, just a couple of quick thoughts before we wrap this joint up. You know how we do with the on feast, man. I think if I do end up keeping this joint, the on feet gotta be one of the great on feasts, one of the special on feasts, man. You might even catch your boy actually fucking himself up on the skateboard. You never know, you know what I'm saying? Bruh. But, you know, just a couple of quick thoughts on the shoe, man, just real quick, bro. And brolettes.
Boy, if you don't get...
We got the, You know, this yo, the leather on this shoe is fucking amazing, yo. Just super, super, super soft, man. I ain't really seen it this soft on the sneaker, man, since probably, you know, the Breads, man. Like, this is really true Retro 1 OG high material, man. It gotta be, man. You saw my boy, you know, that definitely trashed his up in the end, you know, near the end of the pickup vlog, man. But, you know, I'm not a Lakers fan. You know, every time I think about the Lakers, I think of LeBron. It's just, you know, it's Chicago, man. Chicago.
This Chicago!
You know, I ain't a Lakers fan, but, you know, it's cool to have like a different colorway like this on the Air Jordan 1. But, you know, soft leather, you know, standard level going around this. You know, the real, like, the underlying details, man, as you wear these things, you know, just revealing that Chicago colorway. Like, you know, I probably would absolutely have to experiment with that if I did keep it. You know what I'm saying? The different colors around the leather at the top, you know, just kind of revealing that that is eventually going to become red. Kind of similar to the Unions, you know. Kind of similar to the Unions, man. Standard white tongue, Nike SB on there, you know. Black outsole. Pretty neat. As you can see, a couple of different laces, purple, red, you know, kind of off-white. And just really a dope sneaker, man. I really enjoy these. You know, I'm an SB fan, you know what I'm saying? And not just because of the Travis Scott hype either. I've been rocking SBs, you know, for a long time now. They're pretty comfortable. You know, when I moved to Tulsa, Oklahoma a couple of years ago, I vowed to make the SB just gonna be, you know, my everyday shoe, man. I really got into it. You know, back in Chicago, we had a couple of skate shops, man. But, you know, now we only got Uprise. Shout out to Uprise for this pair right here. You know what I'm saying? My first time winning at Uprise. I hope you like the vlog, you know, the quick little vlog, you know, just kind of showing y'all this, you know, our premiere and standard skate shop in the city of Chicago. You know, we'll definitely be going back doing business with them. And who knows, man?
Bruh.
See. And who knows, man? Maybe I'll get like a skateboard deck, man, or something, you know, give it away to the kids, man. After I, you know, embarrass myself a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, shout out to the homie, man, that definitely destroyed his pair in the video, man. I'm gonna link his Instagram, his page somewhere up in here, man. Y'all definitely check him out. You know what I'm saying? He's one of the major players in the skate shit in Chicago, man. But, you know, as always, you know we winning around here. It's your boy Q the Fool, Q the Influencer. More special reviews, more special shit coming. More tune for your head top coming soon. As we proceed to give you what you need. You already know how we rock it. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago!